See, if you are giving, right, why is so small box, right? If you are giving 15, you have to scroll this above.
Mm,
And it's okay, you can increase the size of the dashboard. Okay, height of the dashboard. See, it is so congested. Customer name
mm,
you are given a top 15, but I'm able to see
mm,
only 7. At least
mm.
to at least you should show a 10 customer name. Okay, so this quantity by ship mode, top customer
It is
parameter.
by
Oh, this is
ship
nice.
mode.
You
Com
were even title also getting changed. Very good.
yeah, yeah,
Very
yeah. Also, the category comparison is here, and the
good. See,
sales
and
trend.
the color combination is very nice, so you can
Mhm.
easily differentiate, right?
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
And
That is why I use this.
nice. And
And if I choose quantity, it will get changed. These
mm,
three, what
in
is it?
this, right, in quantity trend, you are showing a quantity, but why it is dollar?
Yeah, yeah, that is the thing. And also I have one query, like I couldn't change the tooltip over here. See, the tooltip is blank.
No, you can change. Go to that.
Yeah,
Shit. Go to the tooltip. Reset. Below reset. Over on it. You.
if I want to, yeah.
Mhm. See, here also you can remove, right? The cal underscore dimension is there, right? This is something,
Mm.
it is changing based on a parameter. For that, go to that. Right, insert there. Insert cal dimension below last cal underscore dimension.
Yeah,
Uh, Click it. Remove the next cal underscore dimension.
this one.
Remove it and show preview here below. See, it's a first class. So in that case, the repeating. So just remove the entire cal dimension. The below. Next. Left. Cal. There is a remove it. Bring this to little bit left. Make it bold. Wait. Make it bold. Increase. I think it is already once again. Increase the font size. All one. Make a bold. 10. Make it 10. It is. You have to select it. You have to select.
Yeah,
Bold. Uh, Click here. Cal sales profit is there, right?
mm-hmm.
Click OK now. Just click OK. See now, bit organized, right? It is not giving those things. So you can format, make it look correct.
Okay.
Here
Now,
it
if I
is
want to,
confusing. Here it is confusing. Call cal underscore
sales or
sale
profit.
profit.
Yeah.
So whether it is sales or profit, we need to show that, right? For that
Yes.
also insert similar way. How I showed you
Okay.
here. Next left, little bit left. Somewhere. Insert parameter, right? It is sales and
Hmm.
insert. Click that. Remove this
All
part first. Uh, column semicolon. You missed it.
Yeah.
Give a space. Click OK now. See now quantity. So, click OK. Click OK. Change the stuff now. The quantity and sales. It will change. Profit now. See
Yeah.
profit.
Great. Great. Thank you.
So this
And
is
one
the
more thing.
way how to make formatting tooltip.
Mhm.
Okay. Mm,
Okay, if
okay.
I want to add another tooltip, like
Drag and drop on the tooltip.
it is not coming. It was not coming. Okay, let me check on. It is
What?
not I want to
Uh,
see.
So because you already formatted, so you have to go once again and insert it. If you formatted dashboard, it will not come automatically. If you are not formatted anything, you have to manually insert it. Go there, tooltip, insert. See, there is a sum of discount at the bottom. Sum of discount. So click it, bring to the last section. No, just bring sum of discount, it will come the cal dimension also. Just bring the sum of discount only, left side part, below, above that category field, just copy it and use that format. Next to that, next to
This
that,
one?
next to that category, lighter gray category is there, right? Two category names are there. Second line, click OK now. Hello.
Yeah.
Here. So
Yeah.
category, left side category is there, right? One more category. You selected right now, the red color category is there,
Read
right?
category side.
The name, second line. It's okay. Click OK now. Click OK.
I think we have some network issue.
Network is, yes. So it has, see, the discount is there below. Just you have to write a category because it is for 49.7. What you are assuming? What is that number? So you have to write a category. That's why if you write it right, disc.
Okay.
So if you write it, the format is getting changed. So you have to make it same format of that above this. So if you copy that and
I can copy and paste it here.
then write category. Now you have to write a discount. So because it's not a category, right?
Hmm.
No, discount, yeah.
Okay. In that
See,
way, I enter the.
see, if you formatted, if you drag and drop, it will not come. So first you just drag and drop, then format, then it will come automatically. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So any other questions? This is good. Subcategory products. See, products you added, you can add a metrics by products. Okay. And the title, index you added, so you can write, we can change the name also. Index, just make it rank also. You can call a
This one.
rank. No, index, where you are using index field.
Products chart. Go to products chart.
Products.
Here.
Index column.
Go to this chart. Right. You can change the name also. Index, instead of index, we can right click, edit alias, it will not come, I guess. Yeah. We can write a separate rank function and you can bring, so it will show, it will come as a, instead of index, it will show it. This, it will go the above stuff also. See, it went
Yeah.
subcategory.
Hmm.
It's okay. I'll show you. Undo it. Go back to the dashboard. Let's see. This is good. Compare of profit. Compare of profit. Okay. This is profitable. Nice. Okay. Good. Profit
And
and
from here, I can choose the range.
quarter wise dimension given. Nice. Okay. Cool.
And there is the category comparison.
So here profit trend you added, but you added now profit. Okay.
Now,
Cool.
if I choose sales, then there is the sales trend.
Got it. Got it. This
And
is above. See, above, compare of see above, you added a quantity and
hmm,
it's a, it's okay. Can you change once again
which one?
for
The dollar
parameter?
sign. Oh, okay.
Okay, this is good. Okay, fine. So technology, all are coming good. Nice, cool. So any doubts? Story of sales and property. Okay. So here I'm easily understanding. Okay, by category, customer name, top and all, products details also is there. You are comparing profit. You are comparing trend. See, these are repetitive. Both compare property above chart and below chart repetitive because
This one, right?
ah
Compare profit and profit by
no,
category.
not that one. That one. Compare this below. This both line chart are repetitive because same information is giving. You can add something
No.
different.
Mm-hmm. But I was trying to show you the profit comparison of the category wise, and this is the in total profit. This is category wise comparison. And this is in
Here it
total.
is total wise. Okay,
Hmm.
understand. Yeah. So you can. This is correct. This is overall wise. That is by category wise. Correct.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, this is good. You tried all the parameter stuffs. Good. Any calculated feed you tried?
No, not
It's
that
okay.
one.
No problem. No problem. So Debadrita, have you tried anything on the
Yeah,
calculator?
I'm tired, but I'm
Yeah,
stuck.
I have one more question.
Mm-hmm.
I rather doubt.
Mm-hmm.
When we can use parameter and filter both in dashboard. I mean, in which scenario?
So go to the dashboard, then we'll explain.
Mm-hmm.
So here at the where you are switching, take a customer name only. Go to the customer name.
Sheet.
Ah, see here you using customer name parameter. Here you are adding a filter. You can add a category filter also. You see here
Here.
category. So your question is when we need to use a
When we
parameter
can
and
use parameter and format both. I mean, filter and parameter both.
now you are
In
using a
one.
parameter, right? I
Yeah.
wanted to see by region wise customer name. So you'll bring the region filter, bring a region filter here
Okay.
into this sheet. Region search, no? You can get it. Show all, use all. Okay.
Yeah.
uh, Click apply show filter. uh, Select any two regions. I'm getting
Okay.
the, I'm using both parameter also, I'm using filter also, right?
Yeah. Now here I can
You can bring that
add this
filter.
filter.
uh, uh, how to bring, yeah, nice. Okay, region, nice, this is good. Yeah, I want now drop down how you are doing it. Region, I need a drop down filter. How you'll do
Drop
filter?
down filter.
uh, can you
From
modify
here.
it? How you
Yeah.
do multiple
Single
drop down?
value,
No, no.
multiple value drop down.
uh, so I need apply button.
Apply button.
Where it will be there?
Yeah.
Customize
Customize. So apply button.
apply button. Now see,
Need to adjust this one.
it's okay, you can do it. Region, show me that. Click on that. See now, apply, click all. Wait, don't select center, also remove it. Center, remove everything, remove everything. Click all, click apply. No, click all. So I don't want, click all, apply. See now it's applying to that
Hmm.
sheet. I wanted to apply to all the sheet. How you'll do? Or select all in on the dashboard. No, wait. You can, no, click that once again. Click it. So there is a select all on the dashboard. Below there is a tab. Below, come to down, select all on the dashboard. Select it. So automatically, click it. It selects all the sheet in the dashboard. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now see that filter is applied because you added here
Okay.
null. If you select any one region
Mm-hmm.
in the filter, select the region in any filter. Select anyone. So it's applied everywhere, right? This is the way
Yeah.
you can compare the filter. Okay, this is nice. Good.
Okay.
Cool.
Great. Great.
Devadrita,
Thanks,
yeah,
Prashant.
yeah, no problem.
But this
Devadrita,
time it's very good.
yeah, this time he improved a lot,
Yeah,
a
yeah.
lot. I don't know what the
Structure
magic he
is
did.
very, very nice.
What you did, man?
Nothing.
One
It's nothing.
within one day, so much progress. Suddenly you become trend chat is full up.
Yes.
I
And
just invested my time.
yeah,
Nothing else.
see, if you do this every 3 days or weekly, 1 2 dashboard, you will be perfect, man. You can start building a dashboard, professional dashboards. So, but you have
Yeah.
to do.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Firstly, I have used only Berry and Frank
Mm-hmm.
contents.
Mm-hmm. Content.
Yeah,
Okay.
here I have used odd
Mm-hmm.
contents.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I have used average sales,
Mm-hmm.
profit ratio.
Correct.
And secondly, here I have only take
Ship data. Diff reference.
no,
Okay.
yeah, only the first name, split it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Again, I have used the current most recent date or
Uh-huh.
next ship date,
Mm-hmm.
and here I have only taken year,
Mm-hmm.
and here I have
So why
taken
you taken here? It's not. It's okay. You can remove it because anyway you are showing a max ship date,
yeah,
right? It's so you can remove it anyway. It is a duplicate data. See, you have to think. Any it's showing 2026, and once again you are adding a 2023. What is the use, right?
Mhm.
Think like that. Okay, remove it.
Another thing is that here I have used the difference between order date and ship date. But
Mm.
when I'm trying to put the order date and ship date,
Mm-hmm.
there is a problem.
Yeah, it's not a problem. There is a trick. Okay, that is called right click. Right click. Right. Wait. 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 Right click. Drag. Sorry. Control and drag to the rows. Control, drag to the row. Keep.
But
Okay,
it's
so
not giving.
wait, wait, yeah. Undo it. Right click and drag to the rows. Right click and drag to the rows. Not ship mode, ship date.
Right
Right click,
click.
drag to the. See here, ship date
Yeah,
second.
now it's coming.
That is a trick. That is a trick. Second. Ship date.
Ship date discrete.
Discrete you have to use. Yeah.
Yeah.
Click OK. It came right. You can do order on it.
And order date. Right click control. Mhm. Mhm. So this is the difference. But here, why it's not a title is here it is showing.
It's coming. That is one more tips and tricks. Okay, let's learn today. I thought of showing all the tips and tricks at the end, but you want now. So for that you have to make it first. Measure names. Find dimension. Search measure names. Measure names. It will be dimension
Ship
at the
date.
top.
It is
No, no, no. Go bit up. Go a bit up. Search no. Search in measure names. Measure names. It's not there. No, no, no. Spelling is wrong. Me. Wait. Measure name came. So drag to the filter. Yeah. Select none. Select all. None. Select none. None but a none. None. All and none below. Find the search now the date diff calculation which you created. Search date diff. Search it no. Search.
why the
Enter
answer.
search. Search enter search box में use date diff shipping data. You select it. Select this.
Hmm.
Click OK. Then measure values is there, right? Drag and drop on the measure values. Drag and drop on the number field here on the pane.
Yeah.
Drag. It's not coming, right? Still measure name you have to drag and drop to the columns. Column above. No, no, still it see something different is coming. Drag and drop. Measure names. Names.
Sorry. Measure names.
Ah,
Yeah, right.
Drag here you remove this date diff here from text table. Text table.
Text.
Label.
Yeah, never.
Remove that below one. Remove it. Okay. Now bring measure values on the thing. See, it came right. So you have to do first. In this case, when you are showing a one value, right, in a text table, any one measure, that title will not come. To bring the title, you have to make first. You have to bring the measure name on the filter. Select the measure name, whatever it is, then bring that measure name to the dimension field. Okay, not a continuous field. Continuous field you have to bring on the label.
Yeah.
Dimension field you have to bring on the columns. Then measure values you have to drag and drop. So whatever you are selecting in the filter, it will come here. Okay.
Then we have used this sorry,
Count.
counting for
Don't give a count day, mention distinct customer count or distinct customers, like that. Don't give a count day. So don't rename it count day. Give ash underscore or customer numbers, customer count.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay. I'm saying give the proper naming so that it
Okay.
should be understood.
Distinct customer name like that.
You can give that also. Number of customers also. Total customers, like that. So here you can remove the access. Okay, it's not required anyway. You are showing it on the label.
Whether you
Hide. No. Here this left side x-axis, y-axis. Yeah, right. Show it. Above you, that also you can remove. Region is there, right? One. That. No. Below that. Right click, hide field labels. Anyway, we are showing. See now. Okay, this is good. What else?
here I am having the same
Adding a 10 year. Okay.
day, 10 days.
Okay,
So
nice.
first I need to here today.
Mm-hmm. I'll show you Zn function. Yesterday it was not coming, right? Can you open sheet 14?
First, can I just do this one? Then
What happened here?
here again I need to right click.
Mm-hmm.
Control
What you want?
I want the current with 10 days. Current days with 10 days. more.
Open that field.
Which one? This one?
Uh-huh.
Dated. I have added dated.
Mm-hmm. See, here it is coming as a date. So we should not use date. That's why it is not coming as a measure field. So remove this date first. There. Remove it. Click OK. Okay. Wait. Don't. Okay. It's okay. Undo it. Undo. Control Z. Drag and drop. Control Y.
Yeah.
Okay. Drag and drop. 1 second.
It's already there, so I need to first
Right.
remove it.
And
And then control. So right click, right? So,
see, it's you need a date field, right? Date field. You want to see that date field. So once again, change that data type to date.
here.
Date. Here, drag and drop. There, right click. Today at the continuous top. Click that. Click OK. Right click once again.
On this.
Discrete. Below last. So yeah, it's coming. First you are showing as a year. See, first field year discrete. So change that into discrete value once again. Shift date. Distinct value. Bring once again.
This one, right?
Which
Shift
field it is? Based on what field you were taken? Ship date, right? That one. So you are adding a 10. I'm not understanding. Today, what you want to show? Why are too many year ship date? One more is ship
I
date.
want to show one month column. Ship date, and here it is coming too many. I don't know why, but I have used these columns for some year ship date. Wait. What is this category?
So analyze it, right? Why it is coming?
It is for year. And for cal month, it is not coming the month name.
Show me what is the logic. month of ship date. Okay. Understood. Make it
Again, drop down.
wait, undo it. First you make it the first year ship date is there, right? Make it that. How I show you, right click, drag in that format. You remove this. First you remove this. Ship date, bring the into the row. Ship date as a right click and drag. Right click on row. No, on row. Ship date.
1 minute. Ship date.
Continuous. Make it discrete once again. Bring it at the beginning. First column. No, not that first column. First row. See, you removed it. Undo it. Bring at the first. You can take this out. And second. Wait. See now. Wait. It will not come. Measure will be there at the last only. You can't bring in between. Okay. So see now 15/01/2025. What? Today plus 10. Okay, today you are taking. So today date is not there. That's why the measure. You can do today plus 10 instead of shift date plus 10. Go to that today plus 10 logic. I think it is happening. 5 plus 10. Yeah. 5 plus 10, 15, 7 plus 10. Okay, because you given the today. See, the name you given today plus 10. That's why it's confusing. So you can add a ship date plus 10 day plus 10. Okay. Then wait, it's okay, you can do it. Cal month, here you wanted to show the month of that. Okay, right click, sum of cal month in the rows. Yeah, discrete. See, here it is January 1 2 3. Okay, cool. So anything else? Good, this is good. Let's think. Let's learn few more logical steps. Okay, few more advanced calculation which may be helpful.
Yeah.
You said that we have to today's field wide fields will go and learn advanced right? String.
That's what. Just a second.
Also, you will show us the is color condition, right?
Yeah. That's what today we are doing. So 2 minutes. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Able to see my screen? Okay. So learn first thing I wanted to show the Zn function. Okay. Let's see. Yesterday I missed it, right? It was not giving the correctly. So shift date. I'll drag and drop. I'll show as a month wise. Then subcategory. Then sales. Okay. Not sales, profit.
I have just one doubt. You are using control and right click, right? For dragging and dropping for all this field.
Left click.
Which field?
No, you are using for subcategory also. You are clicking control and right.
No. For just drag and drop. If I am adding columns and row, directly drag and drop. If I wanted to make a month, see, now I'll just add a subcategory. Simple one click, right click, not right click, left click. Just simple drag and drop. Okay. Drag, hold it. Sorry, no, hold it and drag and drop. That's it. For date, for date. For a date, that is right, hold, then drag. it will give this option. If simply I drag this, it will give a year wise. There, then here right click and you can change. Okay, you can change based on month, then it will become a continuous. Once again right click, it will become a discrete, but it's double work. Okay, so then profit.
So you just hold on this column.
Yeah, see ship date, right click, hold it, then drag and drop.
You need to
So
use right click.
right click, sorry, right click, hold and drag.
Right click or left click?
Right.
See, I am holding a mouse in right
Mm-hmm.
hand. I am using a two fingers, right? The left finger and middle finger. So with the middle finger, you have to the right side. You have to click,
Oh, okay, right
click,
click. Yeah, okay.
click it and hold, drag and drop. Okay.
Acha.
So here I'll use a profit. So we don't, instead of month, let's make week.
My God.
So there is a lot of null values. Here there is nothing is there, right? Here it is for chairs and copies, 20, 30, nothing is there. To bring Z10, what I have to do, Z10 sum of profit. Okay. Sorry. So if it is purple, then what is this?
Parameters.
Correct. If it is orange,
It
it's
is
from field. Okay. Somewhere from the field. Zn function, Zn profit. Okay. What I'll do, click. See now, if I drag and drop, it's still not coming. See, profit is 555. Here I'm not able to see. Here I'm not able to see. Here I'm. Observe now. Right click. I will make a show missing values. Show missing value. So it shows missing value as a null. So once it is null, this function will enable. See now, it's a 0. But above field it is not showing 0. Here where there is a null, it is replacing with a 0. Got
But
it?
my question is why you are taking profit, because we have not taken in the rows and columns profit, right?
Anything you can take. I'm showing example. Why I'm showing, just wanted to show why I showed the profit, because okay, let's make us use sales also. So I'm showing what is the Zn function does. Sales.
So if we need to
See,
replace
there is,
value, we need to take any other measure.
yeah, yeah. Or you can add here also Zn before this. Zn. Okay. See now 0, 0, 0,
So,
0.
okay, can you show me again how can you enable this?
It's not much used because most of the time we will show as a blank only. Okay, we'll show as a blank only. But in few scenario, few stakeholders are ask, I don't wanted to see blank. I wanted to show as a 0,
So we can
or
use
I
the
wanted to show as a different value also as a NA. See, for NA
any,
you
I
for
was going
NA
to ask.
Zn it's not used. Okay, something different use. If null sum of say comma NA. Okay. Error function, if null is being called with a flow string, do you with a float and float? Okay, it's not if null, then instead of NA I'll add a 0. Because this is numerical, we have to add a numerical here. Okay. So if null NA sales, no 0 sales. So what happens? Sum of sale is null, then it takes a 0. Then right click, show missing value. See here, it is 0
So
here.
where you clicked on to enable
Right click this,
it,
show missing values, show missing values. See now here the bottom is everything is null, but it is showing 0, right? For 0 cells. That's what the
mm,
ZN function is. Generally very few times, but sales just we keep it blank only. Okay. You can use a ZN, you can use a if null, both. Okay. One thing. Then
and
let's
what about NA? If I have to show the NA, that
NA for measure, right? For others it
yeah,
will come. For dimension it will come same. If it is, where is ZN? Here also we can make special blank NA. See here. Once again I'll
it
show you. Wait.
is a
Yeah. See now it is 0, right? Here everything is 0. So right
yes.
click here, format, special values, example null. If it is null, you can add any text, NA
Mm.
or blank or
So we can
say,
use zero as well.
yeah, there
Okay,
is a
there is
different way.
multiple way. Yeah.
Yeah, multiple ways. Okay. Next one is, so understand some logical stuff, coloring stuffs. Okay, let's see. Some identify high value orders or high value sales, high value orders. I'll copy this logic. I'll show you how. So I'll go to, instead of this, uh, 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 huh. So you can multiple click. Okay, control 1, 2, 3, drag out. So it will go one at a time. You got it? What I'm saying? So
Mhm.
it's not required to remove one by one. You can hold control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will drag and drop. See, drag and drop. Eh, okay. So now let's create one calculated field. I'll just paste here. See here, if functions we are using. If functions. See what is if functions? Test the series of expression and example. If sales is, we are using a sale. If sale is more than 1,000, then call as a high value, else regular. Okay. Then if you remove end, it will not work. Okay. Any condition of if case and all, you should use, you should end with the end text field. Okay. There should be a end. Otherwise it will give a error. Else, if it is greater than 1,000, high value, else regular. What this logic gives?
Say the amount of sale more than 1,000, it will show high value. Otherwise, it is show regular.
Correct. Let's see. See, this is came as a dimension text field. Why? Because we are showing here text fields, right?
Okay.
String. This is coming as a string. It is not a numerical value. So that's why it is ABC string. So I'll drag and drop. Let's see now. For this customer, for this customer, there is a, let's make this way. high value customer, you can see all are more than 1000. See, all
Mhm.
this is high value, right? Everything is more than 1000. After less than 1000, it is regular.
But still, see, there is 7,000.
Why 7 6000 is coming? Okay. Mm, customer, let's say subconduct. Mm. Some of sales it will not work because this is, oh, okay. Huh. This is now it's working because before why it was not working. Tableau will read sub. So Tableau will read sale, just sale, right? There is a one customer has a multiple customer instead of this customer. See, one customer has a multiple rows, right? So Tableau will read first row.
Yes.
If you're not adding a sum, it is a comparison of one apple to one bucket of apple. So one bucket of, so in
Okay.
that case, what happening here? It is comparing one apple to full bucket of apple. So in that case, you have to add a sum. So it will take overall summation of that particular customer. So
But
then
if the calculation,
it will come. It will come. Sum of sale, then it takes overall that first customers, then it will add here. See now, let's see.
upper column will also be there. The sum.
It should be upper column should be always sum because it's aggregation, right? You are using measure field here. So this I am adding this dimension field here. We need to add a sum so that Tableau will read overall. We are comparing here this 1000 based on overall value, right? Overall for that particular customer. So I wanted to see for this customer overall sale is greater than 1000. Then if I not add this sum, what it will take? It will take the first order. Then if it is 1000, then true. But second order is more than 1000, then it will not take. In that case, you have to combine sum of sale. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Okay. Yeah. I have one like additional query. Like,
mhm.
if I need to add another
Yeah, we
parameter,
can
like,
multiple also. There is a way. See, these people they added here. Okay. So
if
what?
else. Okay. Okay. We used if else also yesterday.
When to use else if
Wait. So see here, if I not use this, when to use else if? Okay. So if we need a two more condition here, we have a high end, low value, right? But that's why they were using where it is.
if condition down.
Huh.
Yeah.
This one regular. If they are using only two values. If it is more than 1000, then high value, it is regular, just two values. If you need a three values, in that case, if it is greater than equal to 1000, then large. Else if it is greater than equal to 500, call medium. Else rest, give a small. So we need, if you want to move three fields, right? Here three different fields, we are not adding a two fields. If I comment this, let's say if I comment this, first I'll bring this, first I'll show you large customer.
But I believe they needs to be at there. That is not all the sum.
Yeah,
Only sales is there.
yeah, so it will giving a wrong, correct. Okay. So this is the error. Okay, you have to remove. See now, large. I'll bring this. So large instead of customer name, yeah, subcategory. I see. Everything is large here. Okay. Yeah, large instead greater than, let's make everything is 8,000. So we'll make 2,000. 3, 4, 5. How many? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6. Here 1, 2. Okay, let's see everything is good. Now see, large, medium, small, right? If it is greater than 200K, give a large. I'll add this into color. So large, everything is 200K, 1,000, more than 1,000, 100K, and everything is less. If I undo this, if I comment, if you do this slash function, it will comment, it will not count. Okay, this is a gray out, it is not count. That is a, I
Okay.
want, if I do this, it will comments, it will not take this logic. It's just removed. What is the logic it will give now?
Large and small.
Large and small.
If more than
The
200K.
orange color will go now, medium. See if it is more than, that's
We
why.
just simply inactive that what?
Yeah. So I can add a one
Okay.
more, okay? One more
Hmm.
condition, else if. So yeah, last it should come as a else. Then it should come as a else if. Last should be else. Else complete the condition. Else if means there is another condition. Else if means there is another condition. If 1,000, no, let's make 50K. Okay. Lower medium. Okay. See, there is another lower mid.
And for the coloring,
You just drag and drop this new field. New field, the logic condition we added, drag and drop to the color. You got the thing, if else if, how to
yeah.
we are doing.
Hmm.
You have to drag and drop so that it will give this color, and you can choose, and you can do the sorting also. I wanted to show small at the top, low, medium second, then medium, then large. Like this also you can do. Okay.
Okay.
And you can change the color also based on your requirement away. So anything you can do. This is one logical condition. Okay. Let's see. We can add a two different logics. See, one is sales, one is profit. Here, what they are doing is profit. I'll remove color so that it will be confusing.
It is pretty much similar to Excel.
Yeah. It's similar to Excel only. It's not much thing. So Excel little bit change, but most of the if condition
Mhm.
are same only.
Yeah.
Now, if greater than, sum of sale is greater than 1,000, instead of 1,000, 100K, 100K, and profit is, I'll remove this. and profit is greater than sum of profit is greater than 20k. Okay, strong deal else normal. Okay, what now two different condition, right? One is profit, one is sales. I'm taking now, click OK. I'll add this. I'll add into first. What is the condition we given for the strong deal? For the
Sales
sale?
and profit.
What is the sale amount we given?
Uh, Sales 200k.
100k. So more than
100k.
100.
Okay. And profit is 20,000. Then
Huh.
it will
See,
show
one thing
strong
you
deal.
yeah, one thing observe here also 200k 185 is there. Why it is coming here? Because
Because profit
tell me
may be more than 20,000, but the sale is
exactly.
below
Correct,
that.
correct. So we have to condition, both conditions should
Should be
come
matched.
correct.
Yeah.
So that's why here one condition is matching, but profit is negative. Profit here it is 2200 k is more, right? Both conditions should match. That's why strong deal is coming. So
Mm.
I can add, instead of here I'll just add, I'll drag and drop into the color. Now I can see what is a strong deal here.
Mm.
Getting it?
Yeah. Little
If
bit.
condition. Little bit. What is the doubt?
I mean to
Is
say, yeah.
when
I'm
we
getting.
use this condition.
When to, this is the way, right? When to use it.
Yeah, yeah.
So the
Because this is a
we
similar
can
thing
find
to.
in Excel also. See,
Yeah.
in one go, I'm able to find what are the strong sub products here, which are strong value, strong products, because both are profit is. So instead of color, what I'll do, I'll make it a green. I'll make it this as a gray. Then in a one go, I'll understand these green products are strong deals, the strong products, because sale is high, profit is high for them.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Getting it? When it's also I can just filter it and I can see strong deal. For customer also you can do. Let's see customer. I think I have to change the there is no customer because strong, maybe the values are too much here. Instead of I'll reduce one. See now customer is 10k, almost this I can just filter is strong. These are the top customer, both are
Mm.
more than 10k values and 2000 profit. I can see easily, see, right, is the highest sale person. Instead of customer here, consider sale person is there, our sale. So I can see these sales people are doing good. They are they are more than 10k, they are doing it the bookings. So I can easily identify who are the normal people. I can see it. You can give them another condition also, else if also you can give one more condition in between, like that. Instead of 10k, I'll give a 5k. Here I'll make a 1000 and I'll call like a medium deal. See, now we got a three different stuffs here: strong, normal, medium. I'll call the medium as a yellow. See now, strong also, medium also. I can just see who is the strong people. These are the strong customer or a strong salesperson who's doing more than 1000k, or medium sales people who are doing a medium business, or a normal or a lower low level low performer customer or low performer salespeople, like that different condition. It's when to use, you got it right.
Yeah.
We can use this. And or condition is, see, or condition same only. If you, before we, where we used it, somewhere we used, because both condition are matching, right and left profit, right? If you give a or, it takes a one side condition and left side. If out of two condition any one is got
True.
success, then
Then it will
okay,
show, right?
yeah, both it will come. If I do comment, what it will do, it will not take this. Okay, now strong. See, now what happens if both condition are is true, then it is coming. If I make a or here, what will happen? Any
If
any
one
any
condition also true, it will come.
ah. See, now everything is coming because here it is more than 1000 and more than 2000. Any one, see here it's negative, but coming as a green. Why? Because this condition is correct here. This condition, it is more than 1000. So both conditions. So if you want a both should be executed, then use a or you should, you need to execute these two condition in a one go, then use a and. If you want a or, any one is fine. I need any one of this condition is applied, then use a or. Okay.
Mm.
Dheeraj, you are there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, cool. So else if we got, so here the green and stuffs which you are asking, green, yellow, red.
Mm-hmm.
You can give a emoji also. Okay, you can give a emoji.
How to do that?
Yeah, I'll show you. You are so much.
Can you just do it into another sheet?
Yeah, I'll do it in
Because
the next.
it's
Yes. Don't
too
worry.
many on that sheet.
Okay. So sum of profit is greater than, let's take a 30K.
Mhm.
Else if greater than 0, L 30K 20. Else if greater there is a yellow, else red. What it will do? If more than 20,000, then it will make a green. Else if it is greater than 0, less than 20,000, make it yellow, then else
Mhm.
red. Okay. So drag and drop color. I'll change this green, red, yellow. See?
But we manually need to assign the color, right?
Assign the color. Otherwise, how Tableau will take? It will not take, right?
Yeah.
How Tableau will read? So it will not read. Hey, it is green. Then I need to read that much intelligence. It is not there. We have
Okay,
to
yeah,
select
okay, clever.
this.
I thought that it will take.
No. In that case, it will not take. So here you can add one like this. And so it will like this. It will come. Or
What?
instead of this, what you do? Use a this color subcategory where it is. What is the field we named it? What is the field we named? Color. This happens. So better give a correct name. Otherwise, you'll forget what is the logic. See now it came as a bar instead a square. Then I will increase the size. You got it?
What
But
we
there is envelope. The count the amount is 6,988. But it is
Wait,
still
something is
showing.
happening. Yeah, red.
mm,
Even I am also thinking. Even negative, it is giving a green.
green. Yeah, okay.
Green, red, yellow. Okay, condition is not correct, I guess. Sum of profit 20K. Why? Why? Oh, okay. Because of this. Okay. This, it's taking overall. This field is taking, this size is, it's not good. Better use bar chart. Now you see. See, green, yellow, red. Okay.
Mm,
Got it?
yeah.
Can you show the icon one also? How to put the
Okay.
icon?
Cool.
But in keyboard, how can we get the icon?
Yeah. Okay. See, for that, you have to take it from some website. This here,
Mm-hmm.
I can add a Windows. There is a, I guess, huh? It will come as a red, but it will come as a black, I guess. Let me see. There is another function. If you do slash star and once again star slash, this entire thing will get committed. Okay. How I'm doing this? Windows s- colon, then round, it will not there, so we have to take it from some website and all, for
But
example
it's
in it.
not used mostly, right?
Yeah, it is not used, so better give it a green yellow like
In
that.
yellow, yeah.
Then in this case, so you wanted to make this thing, right? You can bring, duplicate this profit once again here, add it here, green yellow, it is coming. We can make a shape. So it's not that much used, but let's see. So your, like this also you can make.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But keep it bar chart only. Okay.
Okay.
Then regarding some date functions, let's understand some date. Okay, now we don't have a year wise thing. Or for example, I want, we in a data set we don't have a 2026 data, right? But still I'll show you couple of things here in this dashboard. Last year sale, how I wanted to see just last year sale as a number, one simple KPI number. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Last year sale.
YTD it is called.
No, it's not a YTD, right? Last year means last year. YTD means year to today. Year to today means this year to, from January 1st to till today, March.
Yeah.
If it is last year YTD, LYTD, then last year 2025 January 1st to 2025
31st
March
December.
15. No. last year say this YTD means from January 1st this year,
Hmm.
January
Hmm.
1st to March 15 till today.
Hmm.
If
Hmm.
last year YTD means January 1st to March 15. YTD, year to today, year to today. It should not take a full
Okay.
year. Year to today value.
Hmm.
So that is what comparison. You have to compare full, not full year, right? If you are comparing January to December last year and you are comparing January to March, it is a wrong comparison, right? The
Yeah.
sales. So you are comparing one store data with a 3-month data and comparing 12 months data. It is wrong, right? 12 months data sales is huge compared to 3 months sales. So should compare year to date. This 3 year means year first from, if you suppose think you are in a July month, what
Hmm.
is a YTD value? July 15. Then what is a YTD?
Jan to
Fast, fast Jan 15 to June or July of 15.
What is year? I need a exact date. Tell me once again. First Jan
First
2026.
Jan of 2026
Hmm.
to
Then
July of that date 2026.
okay.
Suppose first July.
Uh, 15. So I think it is 15 July. Okay. And
Okay.
tell me all. Last year YTD Debadrita. Last year YTD for July 15. Think assume it is a July. July 15. Last year I wanted to. Last year YTD. What is the logic?
from 1st to 31st, 1st Jan to 31st.
No. First Jan 2025 to 15 July 2025.
Correct. Last year, right? You are comparing last year. You should take a last year 2025, right? Last year it is 2025.
Mhm.
This year YTD means this year. Last year
Only year will change.
year will change. Last year and this year. YTD means this year. Last year YTD means last year YTD. Okay.
Okay, got it. First do it on this one then.
So then here we are calculating last year. We are not calculating YTD here. We are calculating full year here. I'm not adding anything YTD here. I'm
Mm.
calculating full year, last year, full list.
First Jan to 31st December.
Yes, exactly.
Mm.
So what is the logic is, see now, year functions. This is year function, right? Here we have a year function. So what it does, it takes a order date. It
Mm.
takes a order date, order date. We have a 25, 24, 23, 22. It takes order date of year, means year 25. Think it is a 26.
Mm.
Then year, date add. What is the date today? 26, right? March 15,
15.
2026. It adds a date. It is adding a date, right? For the today, it is for today. It is adding a date of 1 day. 1 day. It's adding a one on the year wise. What is minus means it is taking a previous. If it is plus, then it takes a next year. So they
One
are
plus.
minus. They are adding a minus here. See, once again I'll tell you. They are using a date addition here. What is a date addition? It's adds a date. Some date it adds. What they are adding? They are not adding a day. They are not adding a month. They are adding a
Yeah.
what they are adding?
Year.
Year. So they are adding year. What is the reference they are adding? Today. What is the date today?
15
15
March.
March 2026. So for the today, they are adding a 1 year. They are adding a 1 year. This 1 year. If I add a 2 year, they add a 2 year. So why negative? Negative means previous. So go
Mm.
to the 2 year back, 1 year back. Okay. So
So
if
it
I,
will show the data of 2024 if you add -2.
yes, exactly. If you add a -1, then 25.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So in that case, it will give a 2025. Okay, today minus 1 year means 2025, right?
Mhm.
Right. Today is 2026, minus 1 is 2025. So year is 2025. This order date is 2025, and this year is now 2025 equal to 2025. The logic is came, right? If I add a minus 2, what happened here? What happens here?
2024.
2024. Logic is not correct here. 2025 is not equal to 2024. So hence it will not give the sale value. So logic should be same. Then minus 1 2025. Then it gives the sale year. See now.
We need to put 2025. I don't think that. Yeah.
So I'll keep it. Last year sale. Why only it is giving 2025 here? Because we here it is minus 1. If I make a minus 2, what it will give?
2024.
Because it is taking year order date. Year it is comparing this order date. Then if it is equal to that year, whichever year, then it gives that last 2 year data. I'll add last 2 year sale. See 2024. If I add a minus 3, it will give a 2023. Okay, you got why I'm showing this. Here they are using a year function, date add function. So if you add a same, if you add a month also here, if you add a month here, it takes a minus 2 months from March. Minus 2 months means January, right?
Mhm.
It takes a date add function. Whatever string you are adding, it adds based on that. If you're adding a month, it takes a 2 months back or 2 months next. If you're adding a week, it takes a minus 2 weeks and plus 2 weeks, like that. Okay, if this is what last 2 year data sales. If you want to see, I'll just remove it. This is what the last 2 year sales. What I'll add in the text field, instead of last 2 year, I'll add last year sale minus 1. I'll apply this, click OK. Now I'll add here last year sale, click OK, make it enter, make it center, then bold this, increase the size, and little bold this. This is KPI, right?
Mhm.
Last year sale.
Mhm.
You got it?
Yeah.
Getting it or not?
Yeah.
This is a calculated fit. Okay.
Can you please go back to that condition?
Conditions.
I mean that field where
Yeah.
you applied
I will go back.
parameter.
For YTD, what we need to do?
Yeah, I'll show you.
So here I can understand the year concept, but can you please explain the sum? It is showing sum if year equals
Yeah,
to
yeah. So see, if
then
I'm
sales. Mhm.
yeah, if I not add a sum, it will give the error because we want overall sum, right? It should be aggregate. Any measure you are adding, it should aggregation. It should give at least average sum. We
Mhm.
need to add aggregation to it. So without aggregation, the measure feed will not read. So if we add here sum, here if you add a sum, what
Mhm.
happens, right? In a if condition, here also you can add a
Yeah, we
sum
can add there. Yeah.
and remove this. Is throws error because why? Because can't mix a aggregate non-aggregate comparison. This is very common error while using a if condition. If we are using a if condition,
Mm.
you remember we used a sum greater than 1000 and all. There just we used a simple sum. We are not used like these conditions here and all. Here here we are comparing date field with a sum sales. In that case, this is non-aggregated field. These are non-aggregated, right? This can't
Mhm.
be do the average summation and all. So this is aggregation, so we can't compare both aggregation and non-aggregation here. So above is non-aggregation, below is aggregation. In that case, we should remove this sum, add a bracket outside. Okay, then add a outside sum. So what the Tableau does, it makes the condition true, then adds a summation to outside. Okay, then click OK.
Okay.
Getting it little bit. So
Mm-hmm. This is complicated one.
yeah, but see, if the above first line is aggregate, it is not aggregated field, it is not a summation. This
Mhm.
field is aggregation. We can do the sum, we can do the average, right? Here I can add average, sum and all. Here how you add a year as average, sum as average, year as a sum? So it is non-aggregated. This above condition is non-aggregated. So that's why sum, it will not work in a if condition when you are using a two different so sum, it throws, can't mix aggregate and non-aggregate comparison, result in a if
If,
expression. So to remove this, you have to bring the sum outside. So this bracket is from outside you are adding. Now it will work because you are adding outside the sum. So first it will execute this condition, then it makes a summation. We need to add a summation for the sales. Aggregation we need to add. Okay.
Okay.
O- or if you are not adding a sum also, I'll remove sum, last year sale, bring this, automatically it makes a sum here. Sum is coming. Getting it? If I not added sum here, but Tableau takes,
automatically aggregate.
yeah, aggregate. Instead of, better add a sum here, then see aggregated. Already it is aggregated in the logic. You are adding sum here. Got it? So
Yes.
any aggregation, profit, discount, sales, everything you are taking, Tableau read this measure and aggregates it, whether it is sum, whether it is average. So it always, when you drag and drop, it always take a sum. We can change the average and all. Okay. So measure
Mm.
field, every time Tableau will make it aggregation. Measure field, right? This is measure field. Sale is measure field. That's why. Any questions?
Yeah. Can you do the YTD?
YTD. Okay. Let's, before
And
that,
also, I
wait,
have
wait.
one doubt that
Yeah.
can we get, suppose in our data set, we don't have any order date, but we need date for calculation. Is it
Mm,
possible?
Order
We
date
need to, yeah.
means order date 2026 is not there.
Yeah.
So
We
for
need to.
that,
Mm.
you create one Excel sheet of duplicate for this year. Bring a date field, then January 1st to January, like that. You can make. I
But
shared you.
it is not
Yeah.
possible in calculated field to
No,
bring.
the date, I'm saying date. We have a order date here.
Mhm.
Okay, order date. In the data only it is not there, right? In
Mhm.
2026 data is not there. To bring the data, see here 2025 is there.
Mhm.
We need a 2026 for YTD and all.
Mhm.
YTD means year to date, right? There
Mhm.
is a no 2026 is there. It's not there. So for that, I'm saying from the Excel somewhere, different Excel sheet, I think we have a ship date of, we have very 4 5 days of ship date. Let's see. Yeah, 2026 is there, but the problem is we have only 4 days. Let's take that. So we have 5 days of data. Assume this only for YTD. Okay. But before YTD, I'll show you case statement also. This case statement one, when to use a case. In parameter also you use the case, you remember?
Mm-hmm.
So we use the case. So case here in parameter you used instead of region you used some parameter value. Here what I'm doing, I'm taking a region here, case region. If central, then I'm calling a US central. If east, then I'm calling when east, then I'm calling a USA east. Then everything end, close this with a end function, click it, calculation to, instead of calculation I'll give the proper naming, USA region. See, central, I can remove this. This is the way of doing. One more, a case statement. So in case statement what happens, you can use only one field here, one field. But in if condition you can use a multiple conditions, right? Sales you can use, profit user can use, but in a case you can only use a one, and based on that modify it.
Got it.
Okay.
Mhm.
Cool. So you want that YTD QTD. Okay. See, YTD is total sales from January 1st to current year up to today. Right? Total sales from January 1 to current date up to today. Example, if today is August 15, understand? YTD is from January to
About
15 August.
15 August. Okay. What is the calculation of YTD here? This is, so assume, so we want YTD functions. Okay. I'll go back. So how you will bring without calculation, how you will get the YTD? So tell me the different steps. Don't think about the calculator. Just randomly, how can I bring YTD numbers?
filter.
What filter? What field I
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
add?
Date.
Ship date I'll take, because in ship date we have 2026. Okay. Ship date filter. What I
Mm.
need to add? What I need to select here? You
Mm.
are you are select you we want YTD, right? YTD means
Yeah, today.
Month, day, year.
which I need to select here first. First I need to select
Yeah.
year, so that to bring this year.
Yeah.
Okay. 2026. Then
Mm-hmm.
ship date.
Month.
No, not month. Just because it is YTD anyway, we added ship date.
Range
This,
of
so this is then sales.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost how many? 5,350. This is what YTD value. So from January to, sorry, it's not a YTD value. It is this year value, because we don't have a 15 March here. 15 March is not there.
Okay.
So it is,
If
this is
if you
this
need
year
to
value.
calculate the last year's YTD, then
Last year YTD. Then what is the here we need to use?
2025.
2025. Then it is coming till December
Mm-hmm.
31. What I need to add to bring 15 March? We need to bring the 15 March, right? Because year to YTD. For that, what I need to bring? What filter need to create? Ship date once again. I'll add a ship date. I'll make a range. So 2025 till what?
15th August. Let's assume.
Let's make March today. Leave that logic. 15 March. Okay. So I'll remove. So here, see, this is 15 marks. What is the value? 78.006. We created somewhere last year YTD, right? Last year YTD based on ship date. Ship date. 84. 78.
It is more complicated.
Wait. Yeah, it is bit YTD and calculated. These are complicated only. 78, 7806. See, 7806. This is calculated feed of 7806. So in the at least you got the concept right. What is YTD? What is
Mm-hmm.
LYTD? How to bring YTD as a, so in that case, just bring even today also. I sometime I feel wrong. That's why I just use a calculated feed and copy this and use this, and then I'll recheck it like this. Okay, whether it is coming correctly or not. Say 7806 YTD, then it's 7806. That's why use some advanced technology like we have a chat GPT and all. So here, but learn the concept what it is doing here. Last year YTD bit. See now I'll, it's a big calculated field, right? That's why it is complicated. To make it last year YTD, we need a last year data, right? Last
But
year,
earlier, last year, YTD is better, right? It is small condition, but now it is
yeah, because
big.
last year just we need a last year one filter, but YTD we need it. YTD means still we need to filter till March. So for that we need to add additional these two logic, additional these two logic. Earlier it was like this. It was like this. Wait, earlier it was simple like this, because it gives overall year data. It's comparing year, full year data from January to 35 January, but we need till March 15. For that we are adding this additional, where it is, additional these two condition to bring March 15. Getting it what I'm saying?
Mhm.
I'm, to be honest, I'm not getting it that
Yeah,
formula.
yeah. So
But
it's
it is
really,
current for it is YTD. This is for this year YTD, right? This formula.
yeah, this year. Okay, I like for this one I'll make it instead of last year what it. We don't have this year data, but still I'll show you.
For
This
order date,
is
can we use it? Yeah.
order date. We don't have a ship date. So this is YTD. YTD is simple. Last year YTD complex. Last year is bit complex. Okay, simple. YTD is very simple. So here we are comparing year update. What is year update here? What it gives? What is today?
Current year.
15th March of 2026.
No, it will not give a 50 mark, but just it will give a 2026, because this is
Year.
year. It is
Yeah.
not a date. If you add a date, it gives a 15 March 2026. You are adding a year
2026 it
here.
will.
Yeah, it gives a year. So then it compares, it will take a order date year. If order date year has a 2026, then the conditions matches. First condition match. So we got 2026 first condition. Then we need a YTD till today. Today means March 15, today. So we need a less than equal to order date. So if order date, we have suppose think we have a order date till December. We have a till December 2026 we have a order date, but we need only till
Okay.
today. So that's why equal to less than. Less than means it takes February
Till
data,
14th.
January data. Less than. Today, from today it takes a less than of January, February, and till today it takes. So these two condition is matched, then give the sale, then it is YTD. YTD is very simple. Okay.
Mm,
So tell me, you guys should tell me what is the condition now. Debadrita, you tell me. First condition, what it is doing.
But first condition is taking year,
Which
uh,
what year? Which field year?
order date year from
Okay.
um, yeah, taking the order date from last to, first to last.
No. See, it is
This year
comparing this year to
data.
order date year. If
Yeah.
order date year 2026, then this year is 2023's order is date is matched. This condition is, if it is order date is 2024, this year today's year is 2026, it is not matching. In that case, it will not give the sales value. If this condition match, then it gives the sales. Then one more condition we need, because we want till today, that's why it is less than
Date
great
what is
less than
what-
equal to today.
Mm.
Then give me the sale. So see, YTD just will give in a dashboard as a KPI value, as I mentioned here. Just use this condition. So slowly you will get it. The first time it is very tough. Even I struggle 3 to 4 when YTD QTD last year YTD comes. I was so scared. That time ChatGPT was not there, and also we in our data also date fields were not properly maintained. So in that case, it will give some wrong YTD answer. So now it is easy. Just use this ChatGPT and use, and you want to compare. Okay, still you need to validate the number. So validate number, how I did, like this you can do. If you bring the year, this year, bring the date, same date till 15 March, bring the total, see the total, and compare. Compare the new logic field you created, drag and drop. If this number is matching with this number, then it is correct. So here also it is giving YTD, right? Instead of this, you are making a simple calculated field. That is the logic. So to bring a last year YTD, I have to do this lot of things. I don't want to see all these bullshit things. I just wanted to see only this number. So how I did, using a calculated field. Getting it? What is the calculated field use? So I'm doing all these conditions, whatever filter condition I'm doing it in a one field as a calculated field. I'm getting the answer. I'm not showing all these things. This value YTD 78.
For
So
today
I know.
YTD, can you just show us the it with text filter, that how it's showing?
Okay. So because we don't have a number here, but still I'll try to make it. We don't have number, right? 26 we have it. Okay. But we have only January. Assume January 4 it is. Okay. Assume January 4. What is the YTD value? YTD means for assume this today is a
January
January.
1st to
January 1st to 4. January 1st to 4. Okay. In this case, ship date. I will add 4. This is YTD. January 4th. Okay. This is YTD.
But here we don't need to use calculation field.
See, why I'm showing is I'm showing if it is. See, we need a calculation field in the KPIs. To show the KPI, we need a calculated field. Simple way. I just showing the number. If you want to show with a dates field, then show it like this.
Okay.
It will become a very big one, right?
Mm.
If it is, see this much big, suppose it is December 31, last day, today is the last. We have to show like this big one. For I don't want to see all these things. I wanted to see only the number YTD. In that case, go with a calculated field somewhere in the KPI at the top. So in the dashboard.
Yeah, mostly KPI is used, right? YTD.
Yes. See, at the top, I wanted to add here So just I wanted to add KPI. I'll show it here as a YTD. See YTD, LYT, last year YTD. Okay, last year YTD it came, right?
Mhm.
Only to show the KPI we are showing it, but validate the number like this, how I'm showing. Filter, bring the filter, check. But just think, assume what is YTD, what is LTD. Not assume, just confident on what is YTD number, LTD, YTD number. Now, just I'll practice. I'll make sure. I'll ask question for Dheeraj. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So today is July 31. Give me the
Mm.
last year YTD date range. July 31.
Last year, na? So 1st January 2025 to 31st July 2025. That is the
Exactly.
date
For
range.
YTDs, for YTD,
Or already 1st January 2026 to 31st July 2026.
exactly. So you go. So Debadrita, you tell me. Assume October 1st. What is last year YTD? October 15.
From January 2025 to October 15, 2025.
January 1st, right? First date
Yeah,
first.
January 1st, yeah.
25, 20 to October 15. That is what? 20,
Last year
it is
YTD.
exactly. So YTD means
Year to date. This year, from this year, 1st January to current
huh,
date.
okay.
Like
Now
15.
got it. Now let's think on the concept of QTD. QTD means we have a 4 quarter, right? First
Yeah.
quarter January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Let's me open Excel file. I'll understand the concept, bus it's enough. So calculated field, just you can copy and paste. If you understand that logic, then you can add a filter and calculate it. So here Jan, Feb, okay, this is first. Okay, first, second, third, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, now let's think on the QTD. So we are in which quarter now?
First.
First quarter.
Cost cutter. So you got the concept of YTD. What is a QTD then? Here,
1st January to
what
15th March.
exactly? So that is correct. What is the last year QTD?
1st October to 31st December.
No, 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 no. Why October? Last year QTD means
Last year
QTD.
1st January 2025 to 15th March of 2025.
Exactly. So now think the date is August 15. What is the YTD? What is a QTD? Debadrita? August 15.
Sorry. Q3, right?
Hmm.
Quarter 3.
Hmm.
So I need to how to tell? Sorry.
So yeah, no problem. You try, Dheeraj. What is QTD for
So
August
I
15?
believe it would be 1st
Jul-
July to 15th.
1st July to 30 September.
Not 30
Yeah,
September. Just
15th 15th August, you
August.
said, right?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. So first to July to August 15. Okay. So if it is November 14, then
1st
deposit one
October.
second.
1st
Mm.
October to
Debadrita, you try.
1st October to November 4 Q4.
No, November till what?
15.
What date? 15. Okay. You understood the QTD YTD difference? Same. If it is last year QTD, then you have to take a 25. October 1, 2025 to November 15, 2025. Last year QTD. Okay. Comparison of this. Huh?
In calculator field, can you show us?
Yeah. So it is once again the big logics, but I'll show it. So this is
So I
QTD.
can say in simple
Uh-huh.
sentence,
Mhm.
YTD means starting of the year to the
Yes.
today's
Current
date.
date.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
current date.
Exactly.
And QTD means the starting of the quarter. When I mean
Yes.
first of the quarter
Exactly.
to today's date.
No, but particular that quarter, not a first quarter,
Particular
not
that quarter,
first.
yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
particular that quarter, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That is a simple difference. YTD between QTD. Okay. So that is what they are doing here. Here QTD. See here QTD.
Date trunk
Let's
they have used.
let's assume. Uh,
Date trunk.
okay. Date trunk. What it does. Date trunk. Okay. It will bring order date. It takes order date. Date trunk means it will bring to the first January. If it is year it will make a first January. If it is quarter year, it makes a first day of that quarter. Okay. If it is month year, it makes what?
January.
No, no, any particular. If it is order
First
date
month.
is see if it is, I'll just take this date trunk in here. I'll add it. What it gives here for this date trunk here? What is the answer? It will come
Jan.
Jan 1st. Okay. Here
July.
July what date?
First.
July 1st. So date trunk what it will does, if it is using whatever field, whatever string here, it makes a first day of that. It will bring to the first
Okay.
date trunk. See date trunk truncate the specified date to the accuracy specified by the date part and returns the new date. If a start date of the week is omitted, the week start date is determined. For example, ignore this date trunk quarter 2025 8/15 is there. So 8 is which quarter? August. August, right? 1 2
Yeah.
3 4 5 6 7 8. July June August, right? August they are using, so it should come at the first July, first July. So first, let month you got the thing. Date trunk, what it does, it will bring the till first any specific. If I change to quarter year, okay, interesting thing is, see now what happens. This is quarter, right? What is the first day of quarter year?
First Jan.
Jan. For this, what is the first day of quarter year?
First October.
Exactly. So trunk, what it does, if it is month, it's take that particular month first day. If it is quarter, it takes that particular quarter first day. If it is year, then
First Jan.
Take first year. First Jan.
yes. That is what they are doing here. It takes first, it compares. First, it should come. QTD means we need a quarter, right? It makes quarter.
Need to make quarter, yeah.
Quarter, it makes a day trunk till the quarter first, then it assumes QTD means we need a this quarter, right? So it assumes today's quarter, it will take a date. Today is March. So what is the condition it will give here? Today means 15. Which quarter it is?
First quarter.
First quarter means trunk to quarter means what date it will give?
First January to
January.
15.
Yeah, exactly 15 2026. by that condition, if correct, then QTD means order date is less than today, then give the sales. Here similarly, YTD is instead of year, you just instead of quarter, you just adding a year. Only difference is that is the what year and QTD.
Yeah. Can you just show it how it looks?
How do
How it looks on chart?
chart? Okay, see chart. You can't add it in a chart, right? QTD is a simple one value. You can add it in a KPI value. In a KPI, you can add.
You can show in KPI.
In KPI, it's like it will come like a number only. This is last year YTD, right? QTD, it will come like that only. QTD, last year QTD. So we have a QTD, okay?
No, you don't press OK for that.
Wait. So problem is in this data set, we don't have a value, but still we have a ship date value. Ship date. So, like this, it comes.
Okay, it's taking the total value, right?
Yeah, QTD it takes. So we can't add a chart just for the KPI. Just you understand the concept, okay? You just take this copy and understand the topic. It takes time. Understand how to filter. Like this view, try to make it. If you try to make this view, you will get it. If I wanted a QTD here, last year QTD, what filter I need to add here? Let's make that. Wait, ship date. Okay, I wanted last year QTD. What is the filter I need to add based on a ship date? Ship date on where?
On rows.
On rows, okay. Filter we need, right? Last year QTD. Last year QTD. What filter I need to add?
Ship date.
Okay. What? Year, month, quarter, what?
Last year.
Year. Okay. Which?
2025.
2025. Okay, we got a 2025 year full. We need a QTD then. What else I need to add?
Quarter date, ship date here.
Then?
Quarters.
I'll take a range, okay? Right. So here, instead of this, you can directly take a ship date, range, click OK, select. What is I need to select here?
Jan 1st.
Jan 1st. Year.
2026.
So sorry, we don't have a 2026. So I'll take a last year. Okay, January. Year.
31st March. 31st December 2025.
No, it will come a YTD. No. I'm saying last year QTD. Last year
March 15. March 15.
So January 2025 to March 15, it gives value sales. If you do this, if you understand how to make this view, you'll get it. So instead of this, I will add a distinct measure. Discrete. See, it is January to 15. I'll add a grand total. So you have 78. If it is coming, that side QTD value. So anyway, YTD and QTD, it will be same. Why? Tell me. For this, YTD and QTD will be same. Why, Dheeraj?
Because it's the first quarter.
First quarter. If it is second quarters, then if it is same QTD and YTD?
No.
Why?
YTD would be the total of the 2 quarter, and QTD would be the single quarter, the second quarter.
Yes,
second
exactly. So that's why the number will be same, different. If it is in first quarter, YTD and QTD will be same because we are in first quarter. If it is in second quarter, We are taking YTD from this January to May, assume May, but for QTD, it is always should be from April to May. The values will be different. Just understand this concept only. First, what is YTD, what is QTD, how to bring in this format YTD and QTD, then use just the calculated feed logic, copy it and use whatever feed. If you are using order date, suppose in your data set booking date is there, I wanted to make YTD and QTD based on a booking date. There is a too many dates are there. Booking date is there, order date is there, ship date is. But what you, if your sale value is based on a booking date, you have to take a booking. So here sale value is depend on order date. Suppose think there is another birth date is there and sale is there. If you say take a birth date and sale, it is not correct, right? So always, why? Because sale is not based on a birth date, right? Sale is always based on a booking date or order date, right?
Okay.
So use a correct date so to bring the name, and use a same date only everywhere. Order date, order date, order date. Okay.
I have one question. In interview, do they ask what is the formula, calculated fit formula? Tell me, like this they ask.
Recently, now they, after ChatGPT and all, now they stopped, but they will ask like this: how to bring? Show me the different way to bring like YTD, QTD, like this way. How you bring? How you'll compare? Validate YTD value like this. You will show them, and so they might ask YTD or QTD. It depends, very rarely. It's not 90%, very rarely. Just they will ask to make a dashboard. They will give some data set. They will ask you to create a dashboard. Then next, even I used to do, I'll give a data set and I'll ask to create a dashboard. I'll give a 1 to 3 days, then ask based on the questions why you created this view, what is the logic you used, why not, I want this chart, how you'll bring it, I want this analysis, how you take, show me the number, like that I'll ask, not a calculated feed, right? And all, there is a few calculated field they will ask, but not generally. There is a huge concept, right? This is not a only one concept to bring. See, till today you learn too many concepts. It's a part of it. YTD, it's a single 0.1% of it. So we have a lot of other things to learn, very important. As a dashboard, Tableau is all everything about dashboarding, right? Analyzing. That is main part. You should create a dashboard and show the stuff chart so that it gives some important analysis from that data. That is the true character of best data visualizer or data analyzer or best Tableau developer. You should not bring simple charts. You should bring something analysis so that it should solve the problem. It should give the solution. It should help the take the decision to the business or to whatever data doing. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, understand today is too much. That's why I wanted to just. But the interesting part is ignore what did in QT. But you hope you learned this. This was easy, right? The traffic signal, if conditions, how to bring a high and green. This also they will ask. Okay. So it's not only YTD. They will ask a if condition. Write one if condition. I wanted to range between, they will give a range of I want more than 10,000 as a high and between this as a low and the rest as a red. So right, like that they will ask a if condition.
So advanced, what are the conditions are?
If condition they will ask.
If and else and anything else?
Majorly they will ask a if condition, and they will ask why case, why not, why you only use the if condition. You can tell the if condition, you can use the multiple conditions here too, and we can use the profit and sales also, multiple measure to compare. But in case we only need, we are only taking one field, like if case is this, then based on that only we are creating, right? So if is, they will ask write a if condition, one calculator field, like they will ask. So next, your dashboard, write multiple if conditions, show me based on a profit, based on a sales, and add it in a color, add it as a filter, and show me like how I added here color, how I added a filter. So if I add a filter, show filter like this. Okay.
Can you go to the calculated field column where the list are there?
Huh?
Where calculated field column. Uh,
Huh?
Yesterday you were showing the fields, no? That's a number wise, string wise.
String. Here.
Yeah. So here we have the string we have used, date
Mm-hmm.
column we have used.
Yeah. Number we used absolute, minimum, maximum, zn
Mm,
function, zn
yeah,
function,
yeah.
and string contains lower, upper, date difference, trunk, date trunk
Mhm.
today you understand, date difference you understand, date add, they are adding -1 +1, right?
We have earlier used it.
Type conversion, this is what the type conversion.
In
So you wait, you are going here and you are changing the date, right? If
yeah.
it is, see, if it is, I'll change this. If I change to date to time, date type, this date type is got changed to date time, right? That is
Mhm.
what this logic does. Type conversion is not used anyway. You are doing
We
the
are
date
doing
type
automatic.
here only. Yeah. So logical, we use if condition and case, else if, end. When to use end?
Ending a statement,
Yes.
case when.
Yeah. So you should use the end. Otherwise, the if you are using in a case, if you are using if, every time you need to end with the end. Okay. If null,
Mhm.
in function. Yesterday I showed you in.
Yeah, contains multiple value. Is
Yeah.
date when you to use?
Is date.
Is
So
date.
if it is date, so it's not used, but still I'll show. If it is order is date, it takes is date, then true. Compares whether it is date or not. See,
Okay.
it returns the true if given string is valid date. If it is valid, then it gives the true. If it is, suppose a region I used, is this
Mhm.
region is the date? No, right?
Mm.
It gives a false. It's only you here in logic you use lot of if condition case when that or not. I'll tell you not. If suppose now is something time, okay, today, and today it gives date today. Now means it will give time this time. Okay, difference today and now.
How to use it now with order date?
No, no, just now means it takes a system time 11:35.
Mhm.
If it is date, then just takes a today's date 15 March. It will not take a time. uh Aggregation, you use average, min, max. I'll tell you exclude, include, fixed, LOD. Today I will not tell, otherwise it will be even exclude, include. This will very complex. Okay, you will get too much confused. So, but out of fixed LOD concept, there is a fixed, include, and exclude. Three things are there. These three things. Out of this, very commonly used is fixed LOD. Exclude and include is not much used. Fixed LOD, I'll explain you what is the use of that. Today I will not make, because I know you guys are bit complex thing, because LOD is bit complex. That's why I'll explain next class. User, as I mentioned, if you add a full name, it will give the desktop, whoever is login, it gives that person name. Okay, it is also sometimes it's not used. So just to show at the top, just to, anyway, I'm logging, you are logging, right? You are a user, so it's not used. But something is special, table calculation. Anyway, we are doing it in a table calculation here in this format. Right click, you
How to
remember.
use rand function? You told me to
Okay,
use.
cool, I'll tell that. You were using a this one, what, uh customer. Okay, different way of using a rank, I'll tell you. customer. I'll add a customer without parameter customer. So sales. I'll add a descending. Okay. Now I'll create a calculated field rank. Just rank. It's asking expression. Okay. What is sales? Okay. Then I need a descending or ascending rank based on descending what you are ascending you want. I'll add a
Ascending.
so let's take a descending because we need from upper to lower, right? From higher to lower. Correct? From higher to lower, it is a descending. From ascending means from lower to higher. Okay. So what it does, it takes a sum based on a descending from low highest to lower. It gives the rank. So click OK. I'll give a rank on sales. Sales. Click OK. Bring this rank. Rank. Okay, I'll make this discrete. See now it's first 2, 3. If I do one, if I clear this sort, if I undo it, it will nothing will happen. Undo and because rank is space because I already added in the backend descending. Before you were adding a index, right? Instead of index, I will add a rank. And now I want top 10 rank. What I'll do, I'll bring into filter. So I'll just now we have a 800 customers. Just I will add a top 10. This is static. Okay, this is static. Here you can't show filter. You can change by giving a 20 like this without parameter. It is there is another way. See, it's coming right. There is another way of rank. You can show the rank instead of also there is suppose if I you are showing a index, right? Instead of index, what I'll give, it gives the number of row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 index. Rank will give the rank based on the sale value. Whatever the field you are using here. Here I'm using a sale as a rank. If you use a profit, it gives the profit wise rank. Got it? Debadrita?
Yeah, got it.
Profit wise rank. So I'll click OK. Now see this I will remove, profit I will add. So I am using a top 10 profit. See 8, 9, 6. I'm not adding any descending, ascending all because in the backend. Let's see now I want a top below. So I'll do. Instead of ascending, descending, I will add a ascending. What it gives, any idea? From the top 10, it will lower
it will
to
show lower 10.
exactly lower 10 C minus. Getting it?
And there is icon is showing in triangular.
Yeah, because
in profit.
Yeah, because it's a calculation, right? It is a table calculation. We added a filter here. We created a calculated field and added a filter here, right?
Yeah.
This is calculated field, right, Frank?
No, in row there is one triangular rank profit.
This is what, because it is a calculated field.
Triangle. Filter is applied for that one is showing.
Yeah, this is calculated field, right? It is not a dimension field. Rank, we created calculated field, right? This is calculated field.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
So next class, try to use the traffic signal filter thing. Then
so
try you.
All the calculations are over. Only fixed are LOD are left.
Yes, LOD fixed is there. I'll explain you LOD when to use. That is 90% used is fixed. Even you can check in Google. So generally, exclude is never used. I never tried last 8 years. Include some time, only one time, that is to find the average. Fixed, I used multiple times. I'll show you what is the advantage of fixed LOD. LOD and calculation, what is the difference? In calculated field, whatever sum aggregation, whatever you are doing, it gives based on that in the view. So I dropped this rank and it is giving based on this average sales or profit sales. But LOD, what it does, it it reads from the backend and it will give. Now customer name is there. Now I added a profit here, but I wanted to see average that particular region wise. So this person is coming into central region. I wanted to see overall average of that central region. I don't want to see the customer. It gives additional details. For example, you came into the mountain top and you are able to see the trees from the topper level. But I will leave the drone and I will see the all the picture 360 view, and I'll see in depth also inside the forest also. That is what LOD. You can see inside few more analysis, but calculated few overall above pictures. Calculated field you can go into depth of the data set. Okay, not sorry. LOD will give even depth data analysis. It's also part a little part. Just if you understand fixed LOD, when to use, how to use, it's okay. Just they will ask you write a fixed LOD condition like that. You can I'll show you how to write expression, what condition you need to use and all, when to use and all. If you understand the fixed LOD, it's enough. Exclude and include is not much used. Okay, let's understand LOD. Before LOD, I'll explain very interesting part. You would definitely like it, how to do the action part. For example, see now I'm hovering on this. I click this, so this action it's applying, right? How this works. Suppose if I want to click this, it should go to the that particular. Suppose there is a we have some SAP. Think SAP application is there. You have a ID, ticket ID. When I click that, it should go to that particular ticket ID. I wanted to see it in SAP like that.
But, in next class, can you please show us the how to join the table, because I want to work on different data like joining the tables.
So you want now that instead of action? We'll complete action, then we'll go to the join. Okay, because join takes a lot of time. It's a altogether different 2 days thing. So let's finish everything on the dashboard. If I explain this analysis dashboard things, so work on this existing data only. It's just too much. Okay. It's a too much. Still lot of things are there to learn to create on the dashboard. Joining also, it's a part of thing. It's a simple part. The main thing is creating dashboard, adding all the feature, bringing the filter, bringing the parameter, how to do this action kind of things.